is spitting the water out. Wash, washing. She is washing her hands before eating. Scrub, scrubbing. He is scrubbing the floor with a brush. Watch, watching. They are watching a movie together. Open, opening. She is opening the window to let in fresh air. Close, closing. He is closing the book after reading. Turn, turning. She is turning the page of the magazine. Stand, standing. He is standing in line at the store. Sit, sitting. She is sitting on the chair by the window. Lie, lying. He is lying on the grass to relax. Shake, shaking. She is shaking hands with her new colleague. Wave, waving. He is waving at the passing car. Jump, jumping. The cat is jumping onto the table. Throw, throwing. She is throwing the ball to her dog. Catch, catching. He is catching the frisbee in the air. Clap, clapping. They are clapping after the speech. Smile, smiling. She is smiling when she sees her friend. Laugh, laughing. He is laughing at the funny joke. Cry, crying. The baby is crying because he is hungry. Jump, jumping. The frog is jumping into the pond. Frown, frowning. She is frowning because she is upset. Pout, pouting. The child is pouting because he didn't get his way. Scream, screaming. She is screaming because she saw a spider. Shout, shouting. He is shouting to call his friend. Whisper, whispering. She is whispering a secret to her friend. Mumble, mumbling. He is mumbling because he is nervous. Snort, snorting. She is snorting because she laughed too hard. Explode, exploding. The balloon is exploding when it pops. Slam, slamming. He is slamming the door in anger. Tap, tapping. She is tapping her fingers on the table. Rub, rubbing. He is rubbing his hands together to stay warm. Scratch, scratching. She is scratching her head in confusion. Pinch, pinching. He is pinching his arm to check if he's dreaming. Tickle, tickling. She is tickling her. Little brother. Hold, holding. He is holding the baby in his arms. Release, releasing. She is releasing the bird from the cage. Chew, chewing. He is chewing the gum slowly. Bite, biting. She is biting into the apple. Lick, licking. The dog is licking his owner's face. Suck, sucking. The baby is sucking on the pacifier. Smile, smiling. She is smiling when she sees her friend. Blink, blinking. He is blinking because the light is too bright. Listen, listening. They are listening to music together. Touch, touching. She is touching the soft fabric. Feel, feeling. He is feeling happy today. See, seeing. She is seeing a rainbow in the sky. Hear, hearing. He is hearing the birds singing. Taste, tasting. She is tasting the delicious cake. Smell, smelling. He is smelling the flowers in the garden. Kick, kicking. The player is kicking the ball into the goal. Punch, punching. He is punching the punching bag. Push, pushing. She is pushing the door open. Pull, pulling. He is pulling the rope with all his strength.